Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. In this quick video tutorial, we will discuss how we can remove duplicate rows from data table. As you can see in the image, we have a data table, and in this data table we have information related to employees. Okay, as you can see, we have an employee ID, employee name, gender and city. So as you can see, 102 row is repeating 2 times and 104 row is repeating 3 times. Okay, we want to remove these duplicate rows and we want to convert our data table like this. As you can see, how we can do that, let's see. Okay. Yes, you can see our duplicate rows have been successfully deleted. Okay, our code is very straightforward and simple. This is our data table and these are the column of our data table, and here we are filling our data table by adding these rows in our data table. Okay, and after filling the data table, we are assigning our data table to the data source of datagridview. Okay, here you can see, and this is the code of second button, which is removing the duplicate rows from data table, right? And here we have a two array list. Okay, first one is unique records and the second one is duplicate rows. Okay, and here we have a loop on our data table. In this loop, we are checking if the row is unique, then we will store that row into the unique record array list. Okay, if the row is already contained in the unique records array list, then we will save that row into the duplicate rows. And here you can see we are using contain function. Okay, after finishing this loop, we have another loop. What this loop is doing? This loop is simply removing the duplicate records which we carried in the first loop. Okay, so this is how you can delete the duplicate rows from data table. Okay, I hope you have got the understanding how we can delete the duplicate rows from data table. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.